Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Daisy, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Dr. Bhavna Malik, Principal of Lovely Public Senior Secondary School, New Delhi. Is emotional security the missing link in modern education? Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Renuka. Let's hear what ma'am had to say.
Hello and welcome. Today we have a very special guest with us, Dr. Bhavna Malik, the principal of Lovely Public Senior Secondary School, New Delhi. Let's welcome her. Hello, ma'am.
Namaskar everyone. Hello to everyone.
Ma'am, how are you feeling today?
I'm great, although I'm tired.
Glad to know, ma'am. So, ma'am, with that, we'll move on to the first question that we have for you. What do you think students today need more of beyond academics?
See, I just want to touch two important aspects here. Child. I was also sometime a child. Then moving on my journey, I was a mother also. Then today I'm a teacher also. So why I want to take up this question and why I feel this is very important, because we people are just running after academic. On one side, we are talking about that we will touch the moon. We should have more skills. We should not just be running in the race to be a doctor or engineer or a CA, but there are more.
Correct.
More places where we can be like a star. But before anything, we touch anything, do we think that what a kind of a child is today? A child need a trust. A child need a love. A trust from the parents. My parents are trusting a child. A teacher, is she trusting a child? Is she giving value to what exactly he or she is feeling? Are we actually giving a love? How many times a mother every day is making the child get up? Okay, you have to rush to the school. Is it possible for her to give a little time, tap her, hug her, or and just make a welcoming kind of a move in his or her life, that he or she is going to learn something? We are running. Why every day we have to run for the parties and we are forgetting our child, our tender child? I think before we talk about academic, it is more important that the teachers, students, they all are trusting each other. The parent are trusting a teacher. What is happening today? A child has been called a stupid. What is the meaning of a stupid? Okay, maybe the teacher just have used this word out of a love, or she just touch a child and you are categorizing that it's a bad touch. Are we actually trusting each other? Teacher is always, she's in a terror. Is she teaching? The parent is not trusting school, teacher, they're not. So I think we need to talk about the relationship first, and we should talk and we should do something so that we have a better relationship. Then academic will fall itself on a right track. The child will choose a right skill also. He will not, because why the child is running in the academics? Why he just wanted to be in the suicide note also the child is writing, I was unable to prove myself. अगर child को पता है कि वो गा कर भी he could be a star, तो he will not be going for that suicide. अगर उसको पता है if I'll be fail for 10 times, but I can go and sit in the lap of my parent or my teacher, he will never commit a suicide. Academic itself becomes an important part.
Correct.
Because academic should be, the child should understand. He should have the language to express. He should have maths so that he could understand the measurement in terms of measuring everything. It could be the values or something else. The child should be given a talk about the life skill. So I feel beyond academic, we should first talk about these kind of things.
Very correctly put, ma'am. Thank you so much for the answer. And with that, we'll move on to the next one, which is what's a challenge in education that we often overlook, but we shouldn't?
Yeah, that's what, as I told you I'll just take it up a little further, like completing course, proofing, if a child is proving it to the parent that he is good. Today, in this race, a school is also there. How many hundred I'm going to get? Why I'm talking that the child should not be given the marks. The CBSE is even giving the marks to me. They have started giving the report card to the school also. So in any way, the principal is going to put all the pressure on the teacher to a child to the parent, and the parent, I don't know. We are just running without any kind of, a peace. So these are the actual kind of a thing. Choosing correct things and to show up that we are in a, right bracket. So I think this race should be put up a full stop. Then only we can give a better child. We can mold a better child.
Right.
We can give where we see, that Bharat on the top. So moving to the top, first we have to move towards that emotions which are very important.
Correct, ma'am. Very well said, ma'am. And thank you so much for sharing such insightful knowledge with us. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you for giving me a chance to talk my
you so
feelings to you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 72170701000 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news updates and inspiring interviews from the Edu Bulletin.